Hi friends, in this video we are discussing volume integral definition and volume integral form also, right? You see, in the previous videos we have discussed line integral, surface integral, and this volume integral is also one of the important topic in the vector integral calculus. So based on this we have applications, right? Anyway, volume integral definition is any integral which is to be evaluated over a volume is called a volume integral. Over a volume, we are integrating over a volume is called volume integral. That's it. Here friends, you have two types of the volume, so you can integrate for scalar point function, and also you can do the volume integral for the vector point function. Okay, now you see friends, here this is nothing but volume integral is one type of the triple integral only. Anyway, I am going to discuss right now. If V is a volume bounded by the surface S, then the triple integral V pi dv and triple integral V f bar dv are called volume integrals. That's it. You see friends, now we are doing volume integral for the scalar. Integral of the scalar gives what? Scalar. Next, integral of the f bar is a vector here. Integral of the vector gives a vector. Because we will solve these type of the problems. These two forms we have in the vector volume integrals. Now, also you can write, suppose this volume V, if we are divided into small cuboids by the drawing planes parallel to the coordinate planes, nothing but x plane, y plane, z plane, x, y, z plane, if you are divided, then dv you can write as dx dy dz. When you are dividing the volume into small cuboids in the coordinate planes, then you can write dv is equal to dx dy dz. In this case, first surface, first one we have na first form, triple integral V pi dv you can write as triple integral V pi dx dy dz. Okay, now if second form, if f bar is equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k be a vector point function where f1, f2, f3 are continuous functions, then we can write this triple integral V f bar dv. How you can write triple integral V f1i plus f2j plus f3k into dx dy dz. Now you can separate this one. Then in this case you will have f1i into dx dy dz plus j into f2 into dx dy dz plus k into f3 times of dx dy dz. So this is the triple integral of nothing but a volume integral. How to evaluate? Is it clear? Right? Now one problem we will discuss. Friends, this problem they are given in a JNTU recently. Now find integral over V I plus j plus k dv. Friends, you see integral over V is nothing but triple integral only. So are they given any region surface bounded by? No. So here if you want to evaluate this, first here you observe, is there any xyz terms? No. So no need to convert into dv as a dx dy dz. So you can take I plus j plus k as a common, then you will have integral V dv. Now integral of dv, 1 dv is nothing but what? V only na. So I plus j plus k into V. Where V is what here? Volume. Volume of what? What they are given a surface, based on that surface. Are they given any surface here? No. So this is the solution. Friends, you see, suppose may they will give the surface here sphere or cylinder like differently. May they will give in different way. That time we need to write the formulas for that. Okay na? Second problem, you see friends, if r bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, then find del dot r bar dv. They are given this problem also. Friends, you see del dot r bar is nothing but divergence of r bar, that is dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z we can write. So what is f1 means here? X. So dou x by dou x is 1 plus dou y by dou y is 1 plus dou f3 by means dou f1 by I have written, so dou f2 is y na, so dou y by dou y is 1, dou f3 means here dou z by dou z, that is also 1. So you will have here del dot r bar is 3. So the triple integral V del dot r bar you can write is a triple integral V 3 dv, nothing but 3 you can write outside, then integral of 1 dv. Integral of 1 dv is nothing but 3v. Based on the V you will write the volume. Okay na? Here given problem is evaluate triple integral over V del dot f bar dv, where f bar is equal to 2x plus 3z times of I minus xz plus y times of j plus y square plus 2z times of k, and the surface is bounded by the sphere having the center 3 minus 1 2 and the radius is 3. Friends, you see what we have to evaluate? del dot f bar dv. So first you observe, are they given f bar or not? Yes, they are given a f bar. Now what you need to find? Del dot f bar. So del dot f bar is nothing but divergence. So in this case, what is the formula you have? Dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Yes or no? Now with respect to x, dou f1 means f1 is this one. With respect to x, if you are done, then what you will have? 2, and minus with respect to y, if you are done, then what you will have? 1. 2 minus 1, plus with respect to z, if you are done, then what you will have? This is 2. So 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So here you have the del dot f bar is 3. Now triple integral v, this value is 3 into dv. So 3 is a constant, you can write outside. Now 1 dv is nothing but, what is the integral of triple integral 1? You will have v. What is the v here? V is a volume of the surface. What they given here? The surface is nothing but a sphere with a radius 3. So what is the formula we have for a sphere? Volume of the sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. So what is the r they are given here? 3. So you will have 4 by 3 pi r cube is nothing but 3 cube. Here 3 getting cancelled. Now 3 cube is nothing but 27. 27 times of 4 is nothing but 108 into pi. So this is the answer.